Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing chicken in creamy white wine sauce. Guys, this recipe is so good and yet it is so easy to make. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like and share this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you will need will be your chicken breast that has been cut in half. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken breast with some salt, some pepper, and paprika. So I'm keeping the seasoning really simple for my chicken because all the flavor is going to come from that delicious sauce. So once I have my seasoning on one side of my chicken, I made sure to flip it over and season the other part. Okay, layer your flavors. So you'd also need to have some mushrooms, serrano pepper, garlic, some chopped onions, chicken stock, heavy cream, some butter. You need your white wine, of course. You need some parsley and flour. So before I cook my chicken, I'm going to dredge it in some flour. So the flour is going to keep my chicken moist when it cooks, and it's also going to add some beautiful color and amazing flavor. So I added some oil to my really hot cast iron skillet, and I used that to cook my chicken for about 3 minutes per side. But guys, if you are cooking smaller chicken cuts, you might want to cook it for less time, okay? So if your chicken is thinner or your cuts are smaller, maybe 2 minutes per side would be good. But for me, 3 minutes per side, and I was good. So once my chicken was done, I cleared it off the pan, cleaned out my pan a little bit, and then I added some additional oil and butter, and I used that to cook my mushrooms. So I sauteed my mushrooms for around about 2 minutes before I added the onions. I like to start my mushrooms first because I don't want my onions to get burnt. So while my mushrooms was cooking, I seasoned with some salt and some black pepper before I added my onions. So I sauteed my onions for about 1 minute before I added the garlic and the serrano peppers. So once my garlic was in there, I sauteed for an additional 1 minute to cook out that raw garlic flavor. And once that was done, I added about a 1/4 cup of my white wine. I let my white wine cook down completely on high heat because I wanted to make sure I cooked out all the alcohol, leaving behind only that delicious white wine flavor. So once that was done, I went ahead and added my chicken stock. So for my chicken stock, I'm going to let it simmer on high heat for about 3 minutes because I really wanted to reduce the stock a little bit just to intensify that amazing flavor. After that, I added my heavy cream, seasoned with some salt, some extra black pepper, and I added my slurry just to help the sauce thicken up a little bit. But adding the slurry is completely optional. If you don't like your sauce to be thick, you can definitely skip on the slurry part, but I wanted it to be a little bit thick, so I added the slurry. Okay, so once that was done, my sauce was literally done, pretty much done. So I just let it simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat just to give time for all the flavors to get married. And after that, I added my chicken back into the pan and I finished up with some parsley. So once the parsley was there, I gave everything a good mix and I let it simmer for just about 1 additional minute just to give the chicken time to get heated up. And after that, we were done. Guys, I told you this was an easy recipe to make. So easy. So this is what it looks like in the end, all served up with some steamed basmati rice. Guys, it smells and it tastes so good. You definitely need to try it, guys. I'm telling you, you need to try this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now will be the perfect time to do it. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like and share this video and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.